The hell you guys got?
We got the world's biggest electrode.
Let me see that bad man.
There you go.
Jeez. Look at that. That thing is massive. Should have brought a pickaxe so we can chip the slag off of it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need it.
That thing's a beast, man.
Oh yeah.
So what are we gonna use to run these?
We're using DC 1000. We're gonna run 1,000 amps.
We're gonna run 1,000 amps with this thing.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, man. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Let's go. All right, so we have a 4-foot long, 3/4 inch diameter electrode, very similar to a 7018 in nature as far as the technique we're going to be using. We have a 1,000 amp ground clamp that we've makeshifted into our stinger or our electrode holder. It's like a regular stick welding on a bead-on plate. So let's get to it, man. It's going to be awesome. So this thing's 4 foot tall, the electrode. So we're going to get up on the ladder. We want to keep this piece of material off the concrete. Weld over top of concrete. Get a good chance of the messing up the concrete below. So we're just going to go ahead. We got to set up on a little table, and we're going to kind of use the ladder to our advantage for the for height. Going hot.
Live.
All right, so the technique I'm going to use is just a standard drag technique. I'm going to do a slow, steady pull, just like you would any other 7018. But this one's under the giant stinger, apparently. This thing is massive. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. The electrode alone weighs about 40 pounds. This thing's got some serious deposition. Just laying it right down here in the groove, letting the rod do all the work. I'm just maintaining my travel length, or my travel angle, work angle. Micro Resendo. Got it.
Yeah.
Woo! That is awesome. All right, we'll let it cool down for a second because it's extremely hot. We're going to let that slag cool back down to a darker color. We'll chip that slag off and then see what we got underneath. All right, as you can see, I'm not using a normal chipping hammer because they're I think they're a bit undersized for what we got here. This stuff's pretty slick. I'm just going to use a standard claw hammer and use that claw on the back. Just kind of pick it off at the corners. Slag's not too tough.